Okay. So can you just double check if there is some software installed there? Going to get. Okay. Well, here's what's going to happen. Those two, okay, we're just going to discuss some things. And if I gave them an activity, we're going to do a small one by one, so you can follow whatever you next. Okay. So a few things I need to check from each of you. So basically, why did I check your laptop? Is like I'm just going to make sure that we're going to use the correct project templates. Okay. And the next thing is that if you're going to remember on our first discussion, I told you that this is our project, the entire project, and all the components inside are the families. Okay, like the table, the doors, and so on. Now, when I check your laptop, specifically your laptop, when I check the family folder, it's not there. Okay, so for you just to understand. Now, so what I'm going to do is now, so copy from my family, since we are using 2018 both, I'm going to copy what's in my family here and transfer it to you, the project templates as well. What about this? And for now. Okay. So while we are discussing, so let's not waste our time. You should have informed that they gave you a laptop. As I've said, sir, let's just discuss something. Let me know if there's, or better if you're going to move it like this so I can see what's going to happen. Yeah. So for now, okay, so just listen, as I told you, I'm going to spend time with you now. Again, no? So let's start by opening a blank architectural template. Okay. Why, by the way, why do we need to choose template? No? If you're going to notice, though we don't have the exact templates loaded in our recent files, I have architectural template, HVAC template, mechanical, and so on. So we choose a template for our project specifically for each discipline. Now, let's say, for example, in architectural template, all the components for an architectural work is already loaded in here. Okay, all the coordination is here for the architectural. Same goes with the other discipline like mechanical and structural. Now, for structural template, all your columns, beams, and all the rebars are there. So that's why we need to choose a correct template. So since we are dealing with architectural, so let's choose an architectural template here. It's a blank one, nothing inside. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. Okay, not unlike the first file we opened, yeah, because that is codified by me. Lesson 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3, you remember that? Okay, so now, it's a question from, and you know, I received this question whenever I'm teaching. No? Can you start a project without any, because what we're going to do now is to insert a CAD file and turn that CAD file into a model. That's what we're going to do right now. But I'm receiving a question, can you start a project without any CAD file to start with? Yeah, you know, you can place your grid. We're going to place some grid first and walls and so on. So now, so since we're, let's insert a CAD file so at least we have a guide. Okay, what we're going to build. Now, let's go to our insert tab. Okay, so insert tab. Okay, you will find here, whenever you're going to insert something in your project, you have to go to this tab. Insert link Revit. Okay, or you're going to link a Revit, something like that. You can link a CAD file. Okay, like if you are familiar with XREF concept, it's the same thing. No? So if you link a CAD file, you can insert here, modify in your other computer, or you yourself load it here, and it will update the changes. So some XREF concept. No? Now, let's import a CAD file. Import a CAD file is thing that you paste an image. So we're going to treat that CAD file as an image. So let's import a CAD file. So imports data or 3D geometry from other CAD programs to a Revit project or family. So let's import a CAD. Okay. Now, you remember this set of folder which I gave you? This one, the Revit architecture folder. You remember this? Okay, access this file and let me know if you found it. No, I'm sure you have it because you were able to find the exercise file. It has to be in your computer now. Again? No. Sure. Right. You remember the second folder which I placed our first day? From where you get this exercise file? Where is it? Yes. So we can do it good. You have another question? Yeah, sure. But I really believe that I give you this set of folders. Okay, so to avoid confusion, create a folder in your desktop under your name. So everything related to this topic, go to your desktop and copy it from there. Create a folder now in your desktop. Did you create a folder now? You create. The location of this folder is under, okay, import CAD. Okay. Revit architecture folder number 2. Got it? Okay, let's go AutoCAD link files. Okay. Select don't double click CAD, just click ground floor. Okay. Let's do the settings first. Okay. Let's place this CAD file only on the current view. Okay, so make check of this current view. Okay. In AutoCAD, each layer we give colors. Yeah. So it's either we can preserve the color, but personally, I don't like to preserve it because the background is white and I think it's not very clear. So I use black and white here.